Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Cheryl Delphine, 39 years old, married with one child. She is 16 years old. I have two brothers and I'm the second in the family. I graduated from college as a Bachelor of Science major in Management and I took vocational course as a caregiver with NC2. I work as a nanny here in the Philippines since April 2024 up to present of two children, age 5-year-old boy and a 2-year-old girl. My main duties is to take good care of the children, including do household chores, wash, cooking, and ironing clothes of the children. I work also as a caregiver since June 2021 up to July 2023 of a 78-year-old elderly female, including give full-time care, meal preparation, medication, mobility, and monitoring her health status every day. I want to work in Hong Kong because it gives a good salary and give a better opportunities for my family. To my future employer, I'll do my very best to take good care of your family. I'm a trustworthy and responsible person. Thank you very much.